on another adventure. We're gonna drive down some exciting roads. We've got the front cam. We've got the rear cam. We're all set up and we're about to have a ton of fun. I've got Paul chasing me. It's a lovely, lovely sunny day. We're about to absolutely chop this cyclist. Oh, this is good times. Hey, I've never done this road in this orientation. So normally we're coming down this way, whereas this time we're going up this way. But yeah, it should be tons of fun. Look at this. You guys, let me know what you think of the new quality. Oh, these corners are what I live for. Yes. Come on, Paul, let's have it. Oh, the uphill. Oh, that's so good. Oh, yes. Oh, that is so fun. Woo! That is just the best. Oh, I love it so much. I'm so happy. Oh, it's so good. Guys, I love a good B-road. We've got a divider line now as well. I love that. Love a little divider. Oh, look at this corner. When a corner makes everything in your car slide around, you know it's a good one. Oh, it's so much fun. Best time. Look at that, it's so curvy. Whoa! Bit of tire movement there, but it's all good. We got it. Oh, the road stays this curvy. Let's go. Big brakes. Oh yeah. Oh, it tightens. Oh, it tightens again. Woo! Oh God. Oh, that is brilliant. RS Megane in the background. Watch him go past. Look at that car ahead going. Paul doesn't care about lanes. It's time to have some fun. Let's get it. Woo! We'll be flying down some country lanes. Oh. Oh, yes. Big pothole is dodged. Ah, the fun is ours. I love this corner. Oh, yes. You guys hear the exhaust? Pop, 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 pop. Oh, yeah. These are a few of my favorite corners. When I was a young boy, I used to absolutely send it around here on my little 125cc motorbike. Now I'm in sport mode in a Megane RS 300. Watch these two corners, they're so tight. They came up in one of my videos about how to drive fast. This is actually driving fast, boys. In that video I was going quite slowly. Liquid yellow car still behind. Ah, yes. This car's so good at this stuff. So good at it. This corner takes some real balls to commit to. 40 is pretty fast around here. We just hit it at 45. Tons of fun, boys, tons of fun. Come on, mate. There you go, he's figured it out. He's also figured out the decrease in radius corner. I'm not really one for speeding along straight bits of road, especially if I have to go much over the speed limit. I'd rather just do the speed limit, get through the boring stuff, and then absolutely attack the corners, which is where I have a lot more fun. Want me to overtake you, Paul? Alright, buddy. Paul wants to follow me, I guess. It is a good view from behind this car, to be fair. I don't blame him. I can dig it. Oh, guys, I've lost my friend. He's caught up in the traffic. Aww. At least I can entertain myself with the throttle pedal. This is my favorite thing in the world to do. Some people don't get it. Say, oh, why are you going out driving? You should be going to a track. Or you should, I don't know, drive slowly. Guys, I drive slowly every single day on my way to work and on my way home and on my way to Tesco and on my way to Morrison's and on my way to pick up the missus. I drive slowly and sensibly and safely all the bloody time. Sometimes you gotta just experience the car a little bit. Gotta have a bit of fun. Gotta remind yourself why you pay as much as you pay. Gotta hear the turbo a bit. This is what it's all about, guys. This is driving. Gotta hear a few pops and bangs. Gotta excite your mate. It's a good day today.